Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Sign in to the same Google account that holds the backup and install or open WhatsApp on your Android device. Enter and verify your phone number. WhatsApp checks for Google Drive backup automatically. When prompted, allow contacts, storage, and SMS permissions so the app can locate and restore messages and media. Once you've verified and permitted access, tap Restore. WhatsApp will fetch the backup metadata and prepare files. Make sure your device stays on Wi-Fi to save data. Once you tap Restore, WhatsApp downloads your chat history first and then cues media like photos and videos to restore in the background. That's why messages appear before images. Keep the app open and connected to stable Wi-Fi because large backups may take a long time. Patience prevents corruption. If progress pauses, check Google account status and storage space. After messages finish, WhatsApp resumes media download automatically, so make sure notifications and background data are enabled to let the transfer complete. After restoration completes, scan your chats and group threads to confirm messages and timestamps restored correctly. Media may continue arriving afterward. If the backup is missing or outdated, recheck that you're using the exact Google account and the same phone number that created the backup, and check the backup date in Google Drive. If problems persist, export critical chats as text before attempting reinstall or clearing app cache. Reinstalling forces a fresh backup check, and that can resolve inconsistent restore behavior.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.